Hello students, this is Neha Mathur, and today in this video I am going to start the next conversion, or I can say that this is the next video of a number system from a series of number system, in which today we are going to convert decimal number system into others. But before starting the topic, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. Fine. So I am going to start the third conversion, which is how you can convert your given decimal number system into others. Other means you must have knowledge about how you can convert decimal into binary, decimal into octal, and decimal into hexadecimal. See, this is the most simplest conversion among all the other type of conversion, so it is going to be more interesting. So the first one is how you can convert your given decimal number system into binary. As I already told you that there is no need to remember the number of steps we are going to follow over here. The best method to understand the conversion process is just solve all the questions by taking some examples. It is going to be interesting and simple as well. So I am taking one example, and the example is that I have a number 105 having base 10, and I want to convert that number system into binary number system. So what will be the process? Fine. So see, here I have to take a division process. 105 is your given number, which I can consider as a quotient. So 105 is a quotient for the given question, and you want to convert that question number into binary number system. For that you will have to divide that number by 2 and just collect all the reminders over here. Fine. So I am mentioning over here remainders over here. Now if I am going to divide 105 by 2, I must have two options only, whether a complete division takes place, or I can say that one digit 1 should be treated as a remainder, otherwise no option over here. So if I am going to divide 105 by 2, it will be 2 5 and 2 2, means 52 multiplied by 2, it will be 104. So your remainder will be 1. Now again you will have to divide that 52 by 2. Now you will get 2 2 4 and 2 6 12, means you can direct completely divide. This 52 is going to be completely divided by 2 when you have a remainder quotient 26, and the remainder will be 0. After that, this 26 is going to be divided by 2, and just by taking 13 2 26, the complete division takes place and the remainder will be 0. Again, if you want to divide 2 by 13, complete division doesn't take place, so it will be 2 6 12 and 1 will be remainder. After that, again you want to convert that, you want to divide that 6 by 2, it will be 2 3, so your remainder will be 0. Now you want to divide this 3 by 2, it will be 2 1 2 and your remainder will be 1. Now it is not possible to divide this 1 by 2, so your answer will be 0 and 1 is treated as a remainder. So this is the complete division in which you are going to divide 105 by 2, so that you can collect all the remainders which is present over here. Now the important task is how we are going to collect all the remainders. Always remember that we will have to collect all the remainders from bottom to top. So your answer will be 110 01. So if you have done with the complete division of the given number by 2, after that you will have to just collect all the remainders, and the remainder will have to read from bottom to top. This is the basic concept. By using that concept, you can convert any decimal number system into binary. Now the interesting part is that if you want to convert decimal into octal number system, then the process will be same. Instead of taking 2 as a divider, you will have to take 8 over here. And similarly, if you want to convert decimal number system into hexadecimal, in that case you will have to take 16 as a divider. So This is going to be a simple process. Now I am going to convert the second one, which is decimal to octal. I am taking another example. It will be interesting if I will take the next example, and the process will be same. If you have a given decimal number system and you want to convert that number system into octal, if you have a number like 204 having base 10 and you want to convert that number into octal, see, the process will be same. Instead of taking 2 as a divider, you will have to take 8. So again, 204 is your quotient and you want to divide that number by 8. I need to collect all the remainders over here. So this is your quotient and I am collecting remainder over here. So now I want to convert that 204 into relevant number system in which you will have base 8. So the process will be same. Instead of taking 2 as a divider, here you will have to take 8. Now try to divide give quotient by 8 and collect all the remainders. So when you are going to divide 204 by 8, firstly you will have to take 2 digits and 8 2 ja 16 and remainder will be 4. So 4, already 4 is over here, so 8 5 ja 40 and you will get 4 as a remainder. Fine. Now next is 25 is going to be divided by 8. It will be 8 3 by 24 and remainder will be 1. Now you have a 3 as a quotient and 3, it is not possible to divide 3 by 8. So I will write 3 over here and your remainder will be, sorry, I will write 0 over here because it is not possible to divide and your remainder will be 3. Fine. So this is the simple division. Now again, you have all the remainders over here. Only remember the important thing that you will have to read the remainders from bottom to top and the process will be like this and your answer will be 314 having base 8. So this is the simple process. By following that concept, you can convert your decimal number system into octal. Fine. This I will suggest you that you should solve more questions, take some more examples from Google, from some different books and try to solve all the examples. It is going to be more interesting if you will go with the practice of number systems. And if you are getting any doubt, you can simply write it in a comment box. I will try to solve all your queries. Now by following the video, I am going to discuss the last conversion of decimal number system into hexa. So the last conversion is how you can convert your given decimal number system into hexa. This one is the third one, decimal into hexadecimal. As I already told you in the starting of the video that this is the most simplest conversion among all the remaining conversions because the process will be the same. Instead of taking a unique divider, you will have to simply change the divider and the process will be same. For the conversion of decimal into binary, you will have to take 2 as a divider. For the conversion of decimal into octal, you will have to take 8 as a divider, and similarly for the conversion of decimal into hexa, you will have to take 16 as a divider. So now I am taking 259 having base 10 and I want to convert that number system into a number having base 16. So again the process will be same. 259, which is your quotient, and you want to divide that number by 16 and collect all the remainders over here. So initially you will have to divide that 25 by 16 and it will be 16. 25 is going to be divided by ones, so the remainder will be 9. So either here 9 over here and you will get 9 from there. Now what will be the next? How you can divide this 99 by 16? 16 6. So the remainder will be, it is going to be divided by 96 and you have 99, so the remainder will be 3. Now the next is this 16 is divided by 16 and your remainder, it will be completely divided, 16 1 ja, and you have a remainder 1. Now this one is not possible to divide this one by 16, so it will be 0 and 1 you can write over here. So just read all the remainders in a convenient way from bottom to top and your answer will be 113 having base 16. So this is all about, sorry, here I am doing one mistake. that if you are dividing 16 by 16, it will be 16 1 ja 16 and your remainder will be 0 now. How I can write 1 over here? So your answer will be 103. So this is all about that if you have a given decimal number and you want to convert that number system into others number system, into binary, into octal or hexadecimal, just by following the basic concept you can divide your given decimal number system. I hope you are following the concept. If you are following, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. I am again going to suggest you that please go with the practice of some questions. It will be more easy for you. If you want to learn all the number system properly, then you will have to go with some practice, take some book or from Google, take some questions from Google as well, and try to make the solution of all the questions. If you are getting doubt, you can show it in comment box so that I will try my best to solve all your queries. I hope you are following the concept. Thank you.